Morning everyone. I'm just making my way up to Aberdeen. Just under 300 miles left. We have a wonderful adventure. This is Ryhope Beach and Cliffs, just south of Sunderland. So I arrived here late last night, bedded down at the top of the steps. And of course I was woken up this morning by all the dog walkers. They're all very friendly. That includes the walkers. So as usual, it's time for me to go and make my breakfast and my coffee. A couple more sleeps. When you were a kid, you said a couple more sleeps before Santa, or a couple more sleeps before Aberdeen. Right, I'm away up these steps and get the coffee on, get the porridge on, and then roll out some miles. As always, a big hug. Much love, Eric.